Hi everyone, I want to show you how to do a Google Slides master template for when you're creating slideshow presentations. So first I'm going to go and just open a blank presentation. And what I want to do is I want to make it pretty. I find that it's hard for kids to look at white screens all day. It's hard on their eyes. So I like to go with something dark. But also, I need to have a lot of contrast to make it easier to see, especially for kids who have any kind of visual disabilities. So I'm going to go up here to View, and I'm going to hit Master. And I want to create a master style. Now I can look at any of the templates they have, and I can adapt their template to what I need. Well, the simple light works for me, so I'm going to just click on that and edit the title style. So just select, select that font there, and I'm going to change my title font to permanent marker, and it'll go away for a minute. Don't worry, I'm going to get it back. And then I just Control or Command A to select everything. And Architect Daughter is a little bit easier to see for the other stuff. And since this is where the bulk of my reading is going to be, I'm going to go on something that's a little bit easier on the eyes. One of these light grays here. I think I'll do this one. Okay. Now, I have all my slides selected, and I want to import a background onto my slides. Sorry, I got that kind of confused there. So I'm going to select all my slides, and I'm going to import a background. I like to do a Google image search for Blackboard. That's a good one. I'm going to import that, insert that image. That's going to be on all of my slides. Okay. So now I'm not going to take you through all of the writing I did on every single slide. I do have one that is already made up. You can see it automatically, because I selected all now. Again, with just Command A if you're using a Mac, Control A if you're using a different type of device. I would actually, on this slide, probably go ahead and make that a dark ink, so I had the that good contrast. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to name this. So I'm going to name this as a Blackboard master slide template. Then I'm going to save that. And it's Google Docs, so it saves itself. I'm going to open up a new slide presentation. Go to my Google Slide home. And I'm going to start a brand new presentation. The trick here is to don't use that template that you just made. If you think you might want to use it again, keep that just as a template. So I have a new slideshow, and I want to import my theme. I saved that Blackboard master slide. I'm going to select that, import that theme. There it is. And now I can just start typing on it. So I'm going to do legal and ethical issues in healthcare. And my subtitle is bioethics. I'm just going to start adding, and I can do any format that I want, any kind of slide that I want that's on that master template, and I'll be able to. I actually have some things that are already typed up that I'll just end up cutting and pasting, but this works really well for me. I can, in fact, even go to my add-ons here, and I probably will do this for tomorrow, and put in a Pear Deck slide so that it's it's interactive for asynchronous learning. So I hope that this helped you. If you have any other questions about how to set up a master template in Google Slides, it does save you a ton of time and it makes your presentations just kind of look better. So just let me know. I'd love to help you. Also, I'm kind of inherently lazy. So if there's a shortcut to something, I've probably researched the shortcut so that I can use it. So just ask me. If it feels like it's taking you way too long, it probably is. And there's probably an easier way to do it.